The market is in a period of uncertainty, but the crazy thing is that Shiba Inu just recorded one of its highest daily large holder inflow in history. So if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or you hold any Shib tokens, then you can't afford to miss this video. So what is the latest Shiba Inu coin news? And how will all of this affect the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the price boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end to not miss out on any information. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 8th of January, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 2,156 units. Shib's price is down 9% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $820 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $12.6 billion, ranking it as the 17th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now, let's get into today's video. Shiba Inu just lost vital support level. Details. A change in market sentiment is indicated by Shiba Inu's recent decline below a crucial support level. Shib is currently trading below the 100 EMA and getting closer to the crucial 200 EMA per the charts. This drop coincides with a minus 1.70% drop over the previous day, settling at about $0.00002142. Given that Shib is having difficulty sustaining its recent upward trend, the current price action points to bearish momentum. Large holder movements are highlighted by on-chain metrics. Shib addresses with $1 million to $10 million have seen a decline of 10%, while those with over $10 million have seen an even more severe decline of 8%. Due to their tendency to influence market confidence and drive price stability, these outflows are raising some concerns. The decrease in holdings from these cohorts suggests that they are taking profits or are becoming less optimistic about Shib's short-term outlook. Smaller investors, meanwhile, have been inconsistent in their actions. Minor interest from new or casual investors was reflected in the 20% increase in wallets containing $1 to $10 worth of Shib. These smaller inflows might not be sufficient to offset the large sell-offs by larger players, though. Although the Shib token is community-driven, it is susceptible to investor sentiment and macroeconomic developments. Important resistance levels at 2,500 and 3,000 units are looming overhead, and a pivotal support level at 2,000 units may be even more important. If this level is not maintained, Shib might decline further and test 1,750 units. Rekindled interest from larger holders and the token's ability to produce wider use cases will be key factors in Shib's ability to recover momentum in the future. Unless strong buying pressure appears, the current technical indicators point to consolidation or additional declines. With the outflow from larger wallets, regular investors might want to avoid moves that are too risky. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. But keep watching to find out the latest Shiba Inu updates and what the future could hold for the Shiba Inu coin. 32,740 billion Shiba Inu moved to unknown wallet. Here's what happened. Blockchain tracker whale alert brought the massive shuffle to the community's attention on Tuesday. According to the platform's tweet, Crypto.com moved huge amounts of Shiba Inu to an unidentified wallet in batches. What really happened? Whale alert showed that the exchange moved the first batch of 1.634 trillion Shib from its hot wallet to an unidentified wallet. Crypto.com shifted the $39 million worth of Shiba Inu on Tuesday. However, the whale tracker noted that multiple similar transactions occurred afterward, stressing that the exchange shuffled the exact amount 5 times in the same hour. Meanwhile, a deep dive into the details revealed that Crypto.com moved the funds 20 times to the same receiving address, amounting to 32.74 trillion tokens. Moreover, on-chain analysis by the Crypto Basic revealed that the approximately 32.74 trillion Shib, worth $390 million, shuffled was an internal transfer. According to data drawn from Arkham, the receiving address was a Crypto.com deposit address. Hence, the exchange simply shifted excess Shiba Inu from its hot wallet to its deposit address. Notably, internal transfers of this nature are not new to large trading platforms, as they move such funds to enhance liquidity and security. Community reactions. Meanwhile, the massive transfers stunned some of the Shiba Inu enthusiasts. For instance, a user asked what the massive shifts implied, while another speculated that it looked like a hacker was exploiting Crypto.com and moving the funds elsewhere. However, other users perceived the event as a whale accumulation. The reactions insinuated that a whale was buying staggering amounts of Shiba Inu and moving them to a self-custody wallet. Nonetheless, the transfer correlated with a massive market downtrend, which saw Shiba Inu correct almost 10% on Tuesday. The downtrend has spilled into today, with the dog-themed meme coin further retracing 1.24% to trade at 2,151 unit. Now it's time for the main story of today's video. Shiba Inu just recorded one of its highest daily large holders inflow in history. The broader crypto market has entered a discouraging retracement phase that has triggered massive declines in prices, with Shiba Inu also suffering some of the burns. For context, SHIB collapsed by 9.38% yesterday, January 7, marking its highest intraday loss since December 19, 2024. Shiba Inu sees massive large holders net flow. Despite this bearish phase, on-chain data confirms that the dog-themed meme coin experienced a remarkable event yesterday. Notably, on Jan 7, 2025, Shiba Inu recorded large holders net flows worth a whopping 33.59 trillion tokens, valued at $739 million at current prices. To put things into perspective, this figure represents about 5.7% of the entire Shiba Inu circulating supply, indicating the magnitude of the accumulation. In addition, the data marks one of the highest large holders inflow figures witnessed by Shiba Inu in all of its history. For context, until now, daily large holders inflows have averaged 600 billion Shib over the past few months. Despite occasional spikes, the figure remained below 30 trillion Shib throughout 2024, with a rare spike recorded on March 2, 2024, when inflows hit a high of 24.79 trillion tokens amid the price rally at the time. The last time Shib witnessed a daily large holders inflow above the 30 trillion mark was in July 2021, nearly 4 years ago. During this period, the Shiba Inu market was relatively newer, and large holders periodically moved large volumes of tokens due to the lower price. Here's what happened. Interestingly, the latest 33.59 trillion inflow figure has triggered speculation around a whale accumulation pattern among market participants. However, previous reports from the Crypto Basic suggest this might not be the case. Notably, the Crypto Basic confirmed that an in-house fund shuffling from leading crypto exchange Crypto.com contributed to the 33.59 trillion figure. Specifically, Crypto.com alone moved over 32 trillion Shiba Inu tokens across 20 transactions to a single unidentified wallet, triggering the latest spike in large holders inflow. However, market data indicates that the recent inflow had no effect on Shiba Inu's price, possibly due to the nature of the Crypto.com transactions. For context, the broader market slump also resulted in a Bitcoin drop to 96,000, leading to massive liquidations worth about $627 million in 24 hours. Of this figure, Shiba Inu liquidation amount accounted for $1.57 million, with most of it, around $1.39 million, belonging to long positions. The Shib downturn has spilled into today, with the asset down 0.75% this morning, currently trading for 2,163 units. Many of our subscribers comment that they are not going to sell SHIB for the next 5 years and hold millions of them because they believe in the Shiba Inu developers and the real-world value of SHIB. How many are you guys holding? Don't forget to list your SHIB holdings in the comment section below. Let's praise the SHIB holder for trusting and believing in the process. If you are enjoying the video, then please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments your views on the Shiba Inu token. And make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video. But SHIB isn't the only project you should be looking into at the moment. I recently did a video on what could become the next Shiba Inu coin. Check out the video on screen to find out more. Thanks for watching.